Good afternoon. Today we are exploring Khan Academy, and as you can already see, I have created an account for myself and have played around a little bit with it today. And I set up my account specifically for 5th grade math because I teach 5th grade, and I'm looking at how Khan Academy would be the most beneficial to me, especially in the area of math. So first, let's explore the site a little bit. Under the Explore tab, it first tells you what progress you've made in your mission. It lets you know how much you've completed and what task is up next, in case you want to continue on with that. Scrolling a little bit further down, it gives you a list of skills and concepts that are being learned at the 5th grade level, so it gives you some big ideas as well as some specific ways in which you apply addition and subtraction. So how does it work with fractions or decimals and things like that. If you scroll down a little bit further on the page past all of the topics to be learned, you get to a section called Staff Picks. And the staff picks are videos to help with certain concepts. So if we click on one of those, it will bring up a video for us to watch about
those represent 3/4 of the whole. So
about fractions,
3/4 depicted right over here.
as you can see.
You can view this entire.
So there is an instructor as well as a sample problem for you to look at and kind of see and work through as they go through that together. Going back to that Explore page, if we look underneath the staff picks, so kind of going further down was review articles. And if we look at these articles, they're very similar to the videos in the sense that they review key concepts, but this is more of, it's written out with words and pictures and giving examples as opposed to somebody walking you through a problem step by step. It gives you a link to a video if you want to learn more. And then if you want to review whole number place value, here's how you can do that. And then there's some practice on the bottom for you to try and links to more practice problems. So it's all condensed into one spot and is nice and easy to access. If we scroll back a little bit and then go to the classes section, there are different classes that you can take and things that modules that you can look into and learn from. Then going on to the next section is practice. So up here it shows the contents that you're learning, it shows you the progress that you're making, and then as you come down to practice different skills, you can click on the skill to practice, but then over next to it, it also gives you related videos in case you were struggling or needed some help before you started practicing. And finally, in the mission section, when you go there, it first should pop up with a screen. That's going to have you click on it in order to help you find the level that you're at in order to personalize the practice skills. So I'm going to skip over that at the moment. And on this page, you can see the progress that you're making, skills that you've mastered, skills that have been practiced, skills that are not started. It gives you that in a nice little wheelhouse over here, but also gives you a list down here of the skills so that you can kind of hover over them and click on them if you need to practice those things. For me personally, I wouldn't be able to use this in the classroom due to a lack of computer access for my students, but this is definitely a website that I can give to parents as a resource, or could have students practicing at home so that they can continue to develop and increase their math understanding in a variety of ways. One, it allows them to practice. Two, it provides them with helpful resources such as videos and articles. And three, it kind of gives them a goal and gives them something to work towards outside of just their regular math practice. So Khan Academy is definitely something that I would look into as a resource for the students in my class.